Hi everyone. So in this video, we will talk about how to regain the momentum if you have lost it one. All of us have faced it during one point of time. I also lost track in the last 2 months. I was so active for all of you. Suddenly this COVID came. I became active at the COVID front with my organization Doctors for You. Some negativity happened that pulled me further down, and as a result of which I also lost track. So this happens with everybody. Now, what happened to you people that you were working very actively with the exam, the date was there, suddenly the exam got postponed. I just wanted to tell all of you that I was never in favor of postponing the exam. So all those that have been created, I do not know why that have been created. When the exam got postponed, I only told the government that please give a proper date rather than lingering on that when the exam is going to happen, rather than creating a suspense, just give a particular date so that the student can decide. So that was the broad point. But anyways, let us not go into those controversy. Now if you want to come on track, this has come at least at a decent move, that when you know that the exam is gonna be on a particular date, now be it INI-CET or be it the NEET exam, you still do not have an official date of the NEET. But as the PMO letter say that the exam is gonna be after 31st of August, so always consider those as the landmark dates. Now, those who have lost track, if you want to come on track, the first thing that will be needed is a schedule. Mind my words, for more than 90% of the people, till the time you do not have a proper schedule, you will not be able to come on track. So that is the must needed thing. If you want my help to create a schedule for you, just put it onto the comment section and I will try to create a proper schedule for all of you. But I will do it only if I will see a decent number of comments talking about that yes, you are needing a schedule, because I have to work on that particular part. Now once that schedule is prepared, just without thinking anything, just follow that particular schedule. Okay, the things remain standard, and those standard things are: keep revising your notes. Please make sure that you are well versed with the previously year asked topics, and keep on writing grand tests. That's all. There is no other rocket science that is needed at this point of time. If there will be few changes, that I will keep on updating you as I have always done, but please try to create a schedule. If you have already created your own schedule, that is the best thing. If you have not created your schedule, then just let me know in the comment section and I will try to incorporate that schedule for you. The second thing that I want to tell you is, see, that I have felt over a period of time is, just try to stay away from social media too much at this point of time, because that is something that deviates you a lot. Okay, so now a lot of people keep on asking me that they will not be updated, that when the exam is gonna happen. Don't worry about it, you will be updated. And even if you want to do that, just identify a small part in your schedule and just use it for that. Okay, do not come into unnecessary rumors, do not come into unnecessary gossips. Now do not kill your time. When I'm saying do not kill your time, I'm not saying that do not talk to your friend, do not talk to your parents, do that. And do not talk to your girlfriend, do that. That is also important. Eat, you have to take time for eating also, but do not kill your time. Now, when I say killing your time means that doing something that is not gonna help you in the exam. Killing your time is wasting your time on something like how the Sputnik is coming to India. Okay, this is called as killing of time. I mean, it is important, but for my exam probably it is not important for me at this point of time. Okay, so do not kill your time, use your time for productive things. Make your schedule. That will be extremely important, irrespective of the institute that you belong to. If you have an institute has given a schedule to you and you are comfortable with that, follow that particular schedule. If you have created your own schedule, follow your own schedule. If you are unable to identify a schedule for you, for yourself, just let me know and I will try to make that schedule for you. But do let me know that if you are looking for a schedule, and I will try to help you in the best of my ability. But till then, please stay focused. Do not believe in rumors. Please keep on revising your notes. Please keep on identifying the important topics, keep on doing them, and write grand test. Identify where you are going wrong and work on your mistakes. Okay, I'm always available for you. Take care and all the best.